Today I'd like to talk to you about the 5 most severe liability claims you're likely to experience as a school. This one's a little bit dark. We're going to be talking about sexual abuse and death, so please prepare yourself. But it's also important to think about this when you're in a school program, that when things go wrong, this is what happens. Very bad things happen. It is life or death. Let me go ahead and list off the 5 items. 1, alleged abuse or molestation. 2, alleged sexual misconduct. 3, slip, trip, and falls. 4, fatalities. 5, security, inadequate, failure to provide. Really what we're talking about here is that a child's either been abused, beat up, or somebody died on your facility because of a failure to either screen, supervise, keep a safe environment, which is all at the end of the day, it's your responsibility. And there are a couple of factors here that can make you either more or less likely to experience one of these situations. You got to think about age groups you're working with. If you're working with high schoolers, one of the awkward situations you can get put in is if it's a high school male with a young adult female. Some old school people, they might think that's not an abuse of power. It is. And so you've got to be prepared for that type of situation. How to identify it, how to report it, what you do, how you deal with it as an organization so that you don't get into a bigger situation than it needs to be. And then security, we all see situations on the news with school shootings, but it's more than that. It's keeping track of the kids. And if you're dealing with troubled youth, or if you're dealing with people with disabilities that are prone to run, these all put you in a situation where you can be accused of a failure to supervise. I hope that this helps you think through 5 of the most severe type liability claims that you're going to experience as a school, and I pray for you that it never happens. But if any of this has you asking questions about your insurance program or your broker relationship, and you'd like to talk to somebody with experience in your field, please reach out to us at www.bitnerhenry.com. I'm Daryl Henry with Bitner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.